A touch over 3 years ago, I bought a Volkswagen Brasilia, creating the brand Oldub as you see today. But little did I expect it to end up how it has become. And it got worse and worse and worse. A little over 3 weeks ago, I paid a strange man I've never met before in a completely foreign country over $5,500 to buy me a car, which I've never seen. Looking back to the end of last year, we made friends with Surrey Auto Works and took our car there for a full restoration, paintwork and bodywork to make this thing look like a show car. In the process of doing that, we unearthed the real state of our car, revealing that the bodywork wasn't as firm and solid as we originally thought it was. It was obvious we had to scratch our heads and come up with a solution to fix the rust in a cost-effective and timely manner. Now, by watching the previous video, you'll know that I bought a car in Brazil. I've given a strange man $5,500 of my own cash and asked him to go and get me a car which we can use to fix mine here in the UK. I trust this strange man with $5,500.
The first leg of our road trip was starting in the city of Sao Paulo. The end destination was the city of Curitiba in the state of Paraná. With approximately 415 kilometers to go and about 5.5 hours in the seat until we arrived at the destination of where our car is. I will be honest, I did geek out a little bit at this Luton van. How cool is this for transport? Now, if you had told me 3.5 years ago when I bought this rusty old Volkswagen and created an Instagram profile, I'd be creating friends with people across the pond internationally who are going to try and help me get my build on the road. I would have told you don't be silly. There's no way that a rusty old Volkswagen will create prospects and opportunities for you like that, but well, the car has. This car has done so much for me, and it's only right that we make sure we put it back on the road to the best it can be. I'm very jealous of the weather and the views on the road trip that Hula has collecting our car. But on a serious note, if you are enjoying these videos, please do smash that subscribe button, as it really does help the channel grow, and without you guys showing us support and showing the love, we wouldn't be able to be doing what we are doing. Looking on Apple Maps, we can visually see how far Hula has had to go to collect our car, and before you know it, we had reached our destination.
By now, alarm bells are probably ringing and you're thinking, why on earth did I spend that much on an empty shell? Well, fear not. I spent 5,500 Brazilian reals, which equates to roughly about £550. We still have the cost of shipping it to the UK, but relatively a cheap shell to help us get along with our project. After about 11 hours driving and 900 kilometers, we have finally got the car in Hula's workshop where we unloaded it, and finally can have a little look around what I've spent my money on.
Para ajudar você lá.
Ou põe em cima de uma Kombi aí.
Todo mundo dando joia aí, hein? Vambora.
Without Hula, none of this would have been possible. So Hula, este é uma mensagem para Hula. Você agora faz parte da família Oldub. Muito obrigado, meu amigo. Thank you. We just need to hope now that the car is actually solid enough and as worthy of all this effort we're putting into to get it to the UK. We can only hope and fingers crossed the pictures don't lie. I guess the only time we'll find out now is when it actually arrives here in the UK and we can actually get hands on and inspect it properly. But unfortunately, that is all we have got time for. So if you have enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button, smash the subscribe button down below. Head over to Surrey Auto Works, head over to Auto Finesse, head over to Dropworks Customs or Lowdown Transporters. Thank you so much for watching and we will catch you in the next one. Peace out.